Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. From today, we are going to study about the new topic nutrition. Let us see, student. We are performing so many tasks. We are need the energy for performing the so many tasks. Okay. We grow when we born. That times you are very small, but day by day you grow and you become a tall. How does we tall? How do we do any work? Where do we get the energy from performing this task? Got it? Means nutrition means what, student? Nutrition means it's the proper. Nutrition means supply the essential organic and inorganic compound to the body is called as the nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन क्या है बेटा? न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स हमारे बॉडी की ग्रोथ होने के लिए, हमें एनर्जी मिलने के लिए जो फूड हम लेते हैं, इट कंटेन द ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. These organic and inorganic compounds are provide the energy. It also useful means it needed to many functioning of the body. Got it? And these nutrient we get from the food. Food means what? Food means whatever we eat, we drink. Whatever substance we eat or we drink is called as a food. Got it? Nutrition समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? What is mean by nutrition? Nutrition means to supply of the essential organic and inorganic compound to the body. What is mean by organic? Organic means the compound which contain the carbon and hydrogen elements. This compound is called as the organic compound, and inorganic compound means the compound which is not without carbon and hydrogens, mean another elements like potassium, minerals, iodine, phosphates are present in the compound is called as the inorganic compound. These compounds are get the energy to the body is called as the nutrition. Nutrition means समझ में आ गया? To supply the organic and inorganic compound to the body is called as the nutrition. And it also provide. Nutrition is a process in which providing the food necessary for health and growth is called as the nutrition. Means nutrition एक process है, उस process से हमें एक energy it provide the food necessary for our growth, for our health. And this nutrition means the nutrient which is contained in our food. Food means what? Whatever we eat and we drink is called as the food. Diet means what, student? Diet is the sum of the food consumed by the person or another organism. It's called as the diet. Diet means whatever we eat is called as the diet. And we have to need the balanced diet. Balanced diet. In the next lecture we will see details. What is mean by balanced diet? Means the diet which contain the all constituent of the food which is required for the body is called as the balanced diet. And this balanced diet is provide all types of the nutrient which is required our body. Understood, student? What is the nutrition and what is the food, what is the diet, balanced diet, organic inorganic compound. Why do we need the nutrition? हमें न्यूट्रिशन की क्यों ज़रूरत है? I told you nutrition is organism require the food containing the all types of the nutrient, and this nutrient is help to the body for growth. Means we are grow. You know that in the previous classes already we have studied that we are made from a single cell, and these cells are divided multiply and we can grow. Means this growth is also required some kinds of the nutrient, and these nutrient we get from a nutrition. Got it? When we was born, that times we are very small. Day by day we are taking the food and we are become a taller. आपकी मम्मी आपको बोलती बेटा अगर आप अच्छे खाना खाएंगे नहीं तो आपकी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, आप बढ़ेंगे नहीं. मीन्स द न्यूट्रिशन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ग्रोथ. nutrition is required for energy. Let's see, if you are not taking the proper food regularly, we are not getting energy. अगर आपको एनर्जी नहीं है तो यू कैनॉट ग्रो प्रॉपरली, यू कैनॉट डू एनी वर्क प्रॉपरली, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग प्रॉपरली. गॉट इट? मीन्स वी नीड द न्यूट्रिशन फॉर एनर्जी, and energy is needed by the body to carry the various life functioning. Maintenance, you know that if we have a car, we want to need to maintenance of our car. What it means, जो कार है हमारी उसको हमें पेट्रोल देना पड़ता है चलने के लिए. यू आर रिपेयरिंग द inner parts of the car. Okay, same like that our body is also like a car. It is also maintenance, and it is also required the energy for maintaining our body functioning, and we get the energy from the food. Means many chemical compositions of our cell. In the higher classes you will study about that. In the cell, structure of cell, in the cell there has a mitochondria, it is a powerhouse of cell. Cytoplasm, many metabolic reactions are occur in the cytoplasm. Means many chemical reactions which is occur in our body, and it maintain these chemical reactions, and we required the nutrition for maintaining of the chemical composition of the cell. Next is the protection. Protection from diseases and infection. You know that in our body have a WBC, white blood cells. They are a fighter cell of our body. They are fight of the any bacteria, harmful bacteria, disease causing bacteria which is enter in our body, and these cells are fight and kill them. So this cell is also required the energy, and if we are taking proper nutrition in our diet, then we can fight the diseases. We can protect our body from the diseases. Means we have to need the nutrition for maintaining the protection. Repair. Whenever our body are injured, that times we want to need the repair of this cell. We want to need repair of worn out the cell. So we know that the protein, it is the bodybuilding material, and these materials are repair our skin. Whenever we are cut our skin, after few days the skin will be repaired. It required the nutrition. Got it? And provide the raw material. Means, see student, in our body so many glands, they are secrete the enzymes, hormones, sweat. After born the baby, the mother is required to secretion of milk for feeding the child. These secretions are required the raw material, and these raw materials we get from the nutrition, we get from the balanced डाइट. हार्मोन्स जो हमें हायर क्लासेस में डिटेल्स में देखना है. ऑलरेडी इन द 8th स्टैंडर्ड यू हैव सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय हार्मोन्स. द हार्मोन्स आर सिक्रेटेड बाय एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड, एंड दीज हार्मोन्स आर रेगुलेट द मेनी मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शंस इन आवर बॉडी. Got it, student? Why do we need the nutrition? We need the nutrition for proper functioning of our body. Got it? Nutrition क्या है, हम कैसे न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं, what is mean by food, what is mean by diet, why do we need the nutrition. Got it? Nutrition means it contain the nutrient. These nutrients are provide the organic and inorganic compounds to our body. Means nutrition means what, हमने देखा बेटा, nutrition means supply of the organic and inorganic compounds. इस ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट होते हैं? These nutrients are supplied to the body. Let us see towards the nutrient. Nutrient means what, student? Nutrients means the organic and inorganic compound. There are 6 type of the nutrients are present in our diet: carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. These 6 types of the nutrient are present in our diet. Means it present in the proper quantity in our diet. It's called as the balanced diet. Got it? What is mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet means a diet in which contain all the 6 constituent of the food in proper quantity. It's called as the balanced diet. It's called as the balanced diet. Understood? One by one we will see all types of the nutrient in details. Let us see towards the carbohydrate. See student, you know that carbohydrate is the energy giving nutrient. Carbohydrate क्या है? It is the energy giving nutrient. Carbohydrate is a compound of carbon. Carbohydrate is the energy giving nutrient. Carbohydrate is a compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Got it? And carbon and hydrogen always in ratio 2:1. Got it? Means the carbon and hydrogen is always in ratio, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These compound is called as the carbohydrate, and hydrogen means the carbon and hydrogen always 2:1:2 in ratio. means जो भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट से बेटा, दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज कंटेन कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. इन 3 एलिमेंट के कंपाउंड से कार्बोहाइड्रेट बना है, और कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन इन ऑलवेज इन 1:2 in ratio. Got it? Let us see the carbohydrate, the types of the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate consists of the 2 types. One is the sugar and another is the starch. One by one we will see. First we see the sugar. Sugar is the soluble in water. You know sugar is a soluble in water. Sugar have a sweet in taste. Means whatever food we take, it contain the sugar, it contain the starch. में जो भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट हम लेते हैं बेटा, उसमें शुगर अदरवाइज स्टार्च होता है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट आपको मैंने सिखाया. कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट एक कंपाउंड है. किसका कंपाउंड है? कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का. एंड व्हाट इज द यूज? इट इज द वन काइंड ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट विच सप्लाई द एनर्जी टू द बॉडी. देयर आर अ sugar and starch. First we should see sugar. Sugar is the soluble in water. Sugar is a sweet in taste. There are 2 types of the sugar. One is the monosaccharide and another is the disaccharide. Monosaccharide means what? The compound which contain one sugar molecule. One sugar molecule is called as the monosaccharide. Monosaccharide means the sugar which contain only one sugar molecule is called as the monosaccharide. The general formula of monosaccharide is C6H12 and O6. It is the general formula of sugar. Glucose, fructose and lactose. Sucrose means the C. Monosaccharide means क्या बताया मैंने? It is the simple carbohydrates. There are 2 types of the sugar, monosaccharide, disaccharide. Monosaccharide means the compound which contain the one sugar molecule. It also have the 3 types of the monosaccharide: glucose, fructose and galactose. Monosaccharide also have 3 subtypes: glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose, you know glucose, it is a single sugar. Like that it is also commonly called as the grape sugar. It is the simple sugar found in the organism. Like that we say the blood sugar, it is glucose. The plant are produce the food by the process of photosynthesis. It's a one molecule is a glucose, C6H12 and O6. It is a glucose. Glucose is a single sugar. It is the types of the monosaccharide. Monosaccharide हमने देखा. Monosaccharide means the compound which contain the one sugar molecule is called as the monosaccharide. The monosaccharide classified into 3 types. Glucose means a simple sugar. Fructose means it is commonly present in the plant. It's fruit sugar. जो भी sweetness होता है बेटा fruits में, it contain the fructose. Got it? means जो fruit में sugar है, it is called as the fructose. And galactose it found in the milk. It is also simple sugar. It is found in the milk. We whenever we take the milk, it is the small sweetness taste in the milk. This is due to the galactose. Got it? Monosaccharide means the single sugar. It classified into the three types: glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose means the simple sugar which is commonly present in the plant made by the photosynthesis. Then fructose sugar is present in the fruit, and galactose, this sugar is present in our milk. Understood? Monosaccharide. Next is the disaccharide. Disaccharide means what, student? The compound which contain the two sugar molecule. The compound is contain two sugar molecule is called as the disaccharide. And what is the general formula of disaccharide? C12H22 and O11 means it is the double means the disaccharide means the sugar of disaccharide is made from the combination of two monosaccharide sugar. Disaccharide कैसे बनते बेटा? Disaccharide we have seen the two sugar molecule contain in the disaccharide, and mono means agar listen, the sucrose is the types of the disaccharide. It contain the glucose and fructose. means देखो glucose और fructose क्या है बेटा? ये glucose और fructose, it is a monosaccharide. When two monosaccharide are combined and form the disaccharide. Sucrose is the table sugar means जो चीनी हम घर में खाते, it is made from the sugar cane. It contains the two simple sugar, glucose and fructose. Maltose is also made up of two glucose molecule. When the two glucose molecules are combined to each other, form a maltose. Maltose is the disaccharide. And lactose is the milk sugar. Means lactose, it contain glucose and galactose. Got it? Disaccharide also classified into the three types, which it is sucrose. It is our commercial sugar. It is obtained from sugar cane in our country, and it contain the two simple sugar, glucose and fructose. Maltose is made from the two glucose molecule, and lactose is made up glucose and galactose. Understood बेटा? ये हो गए sugar के types. Next is the compound of carbohydrate is a starch. Already we have seen in the previous classes what is mean by starch. देखो, sugar is the soluble carbohydrate, but the starch is the insoluble. It is the insoluble in water. Starch is also called as the polysaccharide. Starch को क्या कहते हैं? Polysaccharide. Polysaccharide means what? The compound which contain more than two sugar molecule is called as the polysaccharide. Starch is also called as the polysaccharide, and starch is found in the potatoes, grain, breads. Got it? They are a insoluble carbohydrate. Got it beta? The polysaccharide starch is also classified into the three types. One is the roughage, glycogen. See, I will show. Polysaccharide also have a two types, cellulose, and cellulose is also called as the fibers undigested by human. Cellulose, it is also types of the polysaccharide. Cellulose is present in the wall of plant cell. प्लांट की जो सेल वॉल होती है बेटा, वो सेल्यूलोज से बनी होती है. इट इज अनडाइजेस्टेड बाय ह्यूमन, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द रफेज. The plant cell wall is composed by cellulose and it is undigested cellulose, and it helps to remove the undigested food from the body. It's called as the roughage. Cellulose is also called as the fibers. It is also called as the roughage. And what is it help? It help to movement of undigested food through the large intestine. Means these help to easier to remove the guts. Means it help to maintain the functioning of the guts. You know guts, it is the part of our digestive system. Cellulose समझ में आ गया आपको. Starch क्या है बेटा? insoluble है. इसके 2 types of the insoluble polysaccharide, cellulose and glycogen. Glycogen is a store in our liver and muscle. Means देखो बेटा, अगर today I have took the lots of food because my mother are made the delicious dishes, so we can't control ourselves for eating. I eat too much food. मैंने ज़्यादा खा लिया बेटा, तो ज़्यादा जितना मैंने खा लिया उतना तो मैं यूज़ नहीं करूँगी मेरे बॉडी के फंक्शनिंग के लिए. द रिमेनिंग फूड्स आई स्टोर एज अ ग्लाइकोजन इन माई लीवर एंड another we are stored in beneath of the skin as a fat. What it is called as, मीन्स जो ग्लाइकोजन है बेटा, जो एक्स्ट्रा ग्लाइकोजन है वो हम कहाँ स्टोर करके रखते हैं? एक तो हम लीवर में करते हैं, अदरवाइज इन मसल में. सो बिकम वी फैट because we can eat the extra fatty foods. Got it? Glycogen समझ में आ गया. Understood student? What is the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is a compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbohydrates is the energy providing nutrients. It's also classified into 2 types, sugar and starch. Sugar is also 2 types, monosaccharide, disaccharide. Mono means simple sugar, and di means the combined double sugar. And the starch is the insoluble carbohydrates, and it is also called as the polysaccharide, which are found in the potatoes, grain, breads. Starch is the general formula of C6H10 O5 is the general formula of starch. The starch is also 2 types, cellulose and glycogen. Cellulose is also roughage, means it is present in the cell wall of the plant cell. It is in our body, there have no digested enzymes of the cellulose, so it is help to remove the undigested food throughout our guts. Got it? And the glycogen is the extra sugar which we can store in our liver and in the muscle. Next types of the carbohydrate, next type of the nutrient is a fat. Means see, first we importance of the cellulose and roughage. I told you the cellulose is a roughage, can hold the lots of water and help in retaining the water in the body. The fibers in the roughage add to bulk the food and increase the motility to small intestine to promote elimination. Means it help to remove the passes the stools from our anus. Means it help to clean our large intestine. Understood? Is the next is the fat. You know that fat is the one kind of the nutrient. It is also combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is also fat is a compound which contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It's called as the fat. Fat is produce the more energy than carbohydrate. मैंने आपको बताया कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या है, एक न्यूट्रिएंट है जो न्यूट्रिएंट हमें एनर्जी सप्लाई करता है. फैट भी न्यूट्रिएंट है. इट ऑल्सो मेड फ्रॉम कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंपाउंड. इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द एनर्जी, but the fat is produce the more energy than carbohydrates. Fat are present in butter, cream, vegetable oil. What it? We are using the 2 types of the fat, fatty acid and glycerin. Fat is more energy provide us. And what is the main function of fat? Fat is the source of energy. It is a insulation, means see, fat we can store in beneath of the skin. Whenever we caught the accident, that times these fats are prevent our bone for fracture. मीन्स फैट क्या करता है, अब देखो बेटा, अगर हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो गया, वी हैव स्टोर द फैट इन आवर मसल, आवर स्किन बिकम वेरी थिक, and these thick skins are prevent the bones, it protect the bones from injury. Got it? Protection, insulation, and it is the cellular membrane. It is the some fats, once we need the vitamins, and some vitamins is insoluble in water, but these vitamins are soluble in the fat. समझ में आ गया आपको? What is the function of fat? Fat produce the energy in the body like carbohydrate. It is important to storage form of food. Whenever we are not able to take the food, that times our body are breakdown of the fat and get the energy from us. देखो अगर हमने फास्ट रखा 2-3 दिन हम खाना नहीं खाया then we can live. How we can live? Because these fats are break down and get the energy from our body to performing the many functioning. And fat is under the skin. It protect the body against the rapid loss of heat also. Understood student? What is the fat? And in the next video we will study about the next nutrient, protein. I told you the protein means we have need the nutrient. There are 6 type of the nutrient: carbohydrate, fat and protein. Carbohydrate, fat and proteins are the organic compound. See, the organic compound carbohydrate, fat and proteins are the organic compound, and inorganic vitamins and nutrient. In this video we have seen carbohydrates and fats. In the next video we will see what is mean by proteins and vitamins and minerals. Understood student? Thank you.